Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll walk you through how to deposit USDC in JustMarkets safely and efficiently. Whether you're funding your trading account for Forex or other investments, this step-by-step guide ensures a smooth process. Let's get started. 1. Log in to your JustMarkets account. Open the JustMarkets website or mobile app. Sign in using your registered email and password. 2. Go to the deposit section. On your dashboard, locate and click on Deposit Funds. Select USDC, USD coin as your preferred deposit method. #3. Choose the blockchain network. JustMarkets supports different networks like ERC20, Binance Smart Chain, BEP20, or others. Make sure you select the same network as your wallet or exchange to avoid loss of funds. 4. Copy the deposit address. A unique USDC deposit address will be generated for you. Click Copy Address and ensure it's correct. 5. Send USDC from your crypto wallet or exchange. Open your crypto wallet or exchange account, Binance, Coinbase, MetaMask, etc. Navigate to the Withdrawal section and select USDC. Paste the JustMarkets deposit address, choose the correct network, and enter the amount to send. 6. Confirm and complete the transaction. Double-check the details to ensure everything is correct. Confirm the withdrawal and complete any 2FA verification if required. 7. Wait for the deposit to reflect. Deposits usually take a few minutes but can vary based on network congestion. You can track the transaction status on a blockchain explorer by using the transaction ID. 8. Check your JustMarkets balance. Once processed, your USDC balance will be updated in your JustMarkets account. You're now ready to trade. And that's it. You've successfully deposited USDC in JustMarkets. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next one.